Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enter prank mode on your earbuds SOUNDPEATS Opera05. You have to start by open the charging case, and now if your earbuds not connected with another devices, it will enter to prank mode automatically and we will see it at the device list. But also we can enter to prank mode manually. At the left side of the charging case right here we have connectional button. You need to press and hold this button until this LED light start flashing. Here we go. And now we enter to prank mode manually, and here it is at the device list. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!